Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign out of QuickBooks Online. If you're finished working in your QuickBooks Online account, signing out is a simple but important step. Logging out helps protect your financial information, especially if you're using a shared computer, working in a public space, or just want to make sure your session is fully closed before stepping away. To begin, go to QuickBooks Online. Make sure the home page or your main QuickBooks dashboard has fully loaded before moving on. This helps ensure that all menu options are visible and that the account controls respond properly when you click them. Once you're on the QuickBooks screen, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile account area there. This is where QuickBooks keeps account-related options, including settings for your user session. Click on the profile account icon or name in the top right to open the account menu. After the menu appears, look for the Sign Out option. Click on Sign Out to log out of QuickBooks Online. Once selected, QuickBooks will end your current session and take you out of the account. After signing out, it's a good idea to wait a moment and confirm that you've been redirected away from the main QuickBooks workspace. That helps verify that the sign out was successful. If you're on a shared or public device, you may also want to close the browser tab or browser window afterward for extra privacy. This process is especially useful when you're switching between accounts, finishing work for the day, or troubleshooting account access. Signing out properly can also help prevent unauthorized accesses and reduce the chance of someone else opening your active session if you leave your device unattended. If the profile menu doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to finish loading and then try again. In some cases, refreshing the page can help if the account options seem unresponsive. Just be sure your work is saved before doing that, and that's all there is to it. By going to QuickBooks, selecting your profile account in the top right corner, and choosing Sign Out, you can safely log out in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you sign out of QuickBooks Online quickly and confidently.